Special counsel Robert Mueller has signaled to defense lawyers for Roger Stone, the longtime advisor to Donald Trump, that prosecutors might brandish Stone's bank records and personal communications going back several years as evidence in the case against him. Legal analysts said the move could be significant because the sizable amount of potential evidence listed by Mueller, and its nature, in the case of the bank records, seemed to go well beyond the current known charges against Stone. A court filing by Mueller on Thursday said prosecutors had seized voluminous and complex material including multiple hard drives containing several terabytes of information, material seized from search warrants executed on Apple iCloud accounts and email accounts, bank and financial records, and the contents of numerous physical devices, like cellular phones, computers, and hard drives. Stone was indicted last week on charges of obstructing an investigation, witness tampering and 5 counts of making false statements. 2 of his residences, one in Florida and one in Manhattan, were raided during his arrest. It's interesting that Mueller produced bank and financial records to Roger Stone, given that they don't appear related to the charges he faces, former federal prosecutor Renato Mariotti tweeted. Perhaps Mueller's team has a practice of producing broad discovery to defendants, but it is not required by the rules. If that is not Mueller's usual practice, perhaps they want Stone to have this information now because there could be additional charges down the line, or because they think his knowledge that they possess this information could encourage him to flip. Former federal prosecutor Joyce Vance called the filing good news for the investigation. This implies that the FBI was able to access communications Stone and others could have assumed were protected from law enforcement, Vance tweeted. This is good news for the investigation. There is no telling what might be in there. Stone thought law enforcement would never be able to see it.